Hello everyone, and today's video we are going to talk how to install PRIZM wallet on your computer. As you can see, we are right now watching one of my videos, and right now we should go to github.com where all materials about PRIZM are. So you can find here PRIZM white paper, and right now you can see PRIZM core wallet. So we need to install it on our computer because we have Windows, but I'm not going to download it because I have already one on my computer. So click it on it. The most important thing here is to install it on our computer. So we should wait for a while. It won't take lots of our time. Almost ready. Okay, it's done. So right now we have an icon on our desktop. It's named PRIZM, so we should click on it. But before we go there, we should delete Java because it's not working properly on my computer. Right now go to PRIZM, then go to this folder, and we need to install update of Java because PRIZM is not going to work without Java, because this cryptocurrency was created on JavaScript. Bitcoin, for example, it was created on C++, but it's pretty old language, so we need to wait for a while. After finished the update of Java, okay, click here. Now we can open our wallet. Yeah, it's working right now. It's working, PRIZM. Okay guys, but before we go further, we need to put the name of our wallet. Let's try to write down some random random PRIZM wallet. Some random PRIZM wallet. Oh no, it does not exist. Try again. Oh no, it does not exist. So right now we go to our structure of Parwas team. You can see there are lots of many wallets and balances these wallets have. So let's say I will copy the first one just to show you how does it work. So we need to put it here. Let's go on further. Yeah, right now guys, you can see in the right corner there is a 6% of the whole game was already downloaded on my computer, but it's just only 6%. You need to, if you want to start forging, you need to have 100% of whole blockchain should be downloaded on your computer, but it would take a great deal of time. So right now we go to the right corner and we need to open Show Light wallet, guys. This is an important thing. I myself using Show Light wallet. So we are waiting, and now right now we have our buttons, login and registration. So right now, as you can see, I am creating some demo wallet. I generated password, so I need to copy this password on notebook. I'm login, and right now you can see we have created a absolutely new wallet. We don't have any transaction on it. So as you can see, it didn't take lots of my time. So if you want to join us, join my team, join our team, it won't take lots of time. As you can see, I put it here, but this wallet does not exist. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys.